Hello and welcome. My name is Patrick Massey, and this is another video on the bioenergy healing therapies that I do at my office. I have a lot of experience in energy work. I have had decades of martial arts, which the energy therapies that are used in martial arts come from something called Qigong, Qi meaning energy and Gong meaning to develop. I've also had training in the US and in China from various Qigong masters. My own personal experience has colored my perception of the world around us. I died twice when I was a young child, and the memory of what was on the other side has allowed me to have more of an open mind for things that may or may not be easily observed. I've also had a lot of training and education at Delphi University in McKaysville, Georgia, with spiritual healing, physical healing, spirituality, and other forms of metaphysical studies. And my studies in theosophy, which is a way of looking at the world more on the metaphysical level than on the physical level, has helped me to have a greater understanding. My own practice, I started seeing auras when I was a young child and have been using energy therapy for friends and family and patients for more than 40 years. So I think that my bona fides are really pretty solid in this area. The condition that we're going to be, the type of healing we're going to be talking about is called condition-focused healing. It doesn't have a specific name. It's not necessarily Qigong, and it's not necessarily other forms of energy healing. It's a combination of many of the healing therapies that I have learned over time. And really this is focused on various medical conditions such as back pain or diabetes or irritable bowel, depression, anxiety, insomnia, various medical conditions, rather than focusing on the entire body in rebalancing. This therapy takes about 25 to 30 minutes. And what I do in this therapy is I will add and enhance the flow of energy. Sometimes people who have different medical conditions, the energy is okay, but it's stuck, or they don't have enough energy, and both of those things can be rectified. And we're also removing energy blocks, and energy blocks are simply faulty thoughts that interfere with the flow of energy through our bodies. This is a hands-on therapy. As I'm doing this, I am always touching the person. This is always appropriate type of touching, and family members being present if they're curious about this is actively encouraged. My hands will often get very warm as I'm doing this and energy, and patients will often tell me that they feel energy flowing through different parts of their body, or they have an electrical sensation in different parts of their body. Not uncomfortable, very comfortable sensations. The benefits are often felt almost immediately, especially with pain. The results can be quite rapid. And the way this is done is usually a series of 4 sessions over 2 months, about every 2 weeks. It takes about 2 weeks for the body to adjust to the new energy level, and then at the next session, then more energy can be added. And we treat older patients to all the way to adults with this therapy. And we treat many different medical conditions and illnesses, and even combinations of different illnesses. This therapy is directed towards specific areas of the body. So if a patient has irritable bowel, we will spend more time working in the bowel area, and then the abdomen area than we will in, for example, in the knees. This energy is focused on repairing the etheric body of the damaged tissues and organs. The etheric body is the energy level layer, the energy layer that is directly connected to the physical body. It's an exact duplicate all the way down to the subatomic particles. And when there is damage to the etheric body, it makes the physical body susceptible to illness and disease. Like I said before, this process, I clear a number of blocks and various attachments that may be there, causing problems with the energy flow. And it also recharges other conceptual energy systems, including the dantians, which are the energy systems found in traditional Oriental medicine, the chakras, the energy systems found in Ayurvedic or Indian medicine, and auric fields, which are found in other culturally based medical systems. The etheric body is one of the auric fields. So how is it done? You're in a room, healing room with really great energy. I've been doing energy work in this room for over 20 years, and the energy is really quite profound. People will be lying on a massage table. There's an infrared mat infused with amethyst crystals. The moment you lie down, you will experience immediate relaxation, and your energy levels will feel pretty good. Like I said before, I lightly touch the physical body, always appropriately. And the light touch actually connects into the etheric body. And this is the energy field that I work in when I do this kind of energy work. The repairing the etheric body gives the fastest result in the physical body rather than working in other energy systems. Organs and tissues are re-energized, and as they are re-energized, they can heal faster. So what this system does is it helps to accelerate the natural healing processes that are in all of us. As I said before, my hands can get quite warm, and sometimes there's an electrical sensation. And I clear out superficial and hidden energy blocks as well as attachments. I clear them out and dispose of them. And in my experience over decades, the physical, mental, and spiritual recovery can be significant, and physical and mental and spiritual recovery can be simultaneous. They do not have to be separate. So the ages for this particular therapy, usually children greater than 10. If a child can lie calmly, they can go into and often go into a very deep meditative state and have very good results with this kind of therapy. Children's bodies are much more receptive to energy than adult bodies. Really any illness or disease. However, it is contraindicated in some psychological conditions, and we would and those can be something that if you have a question, you can email me on that. And this is really for anyone looking for physical, emotional, and spiritual healing, who actually just wants to feel better and get a handle on what's going on in their body. This accelerates the natural healing processes. There are many natural healing processes, and these recharge it and they invigorate it. And in doing so, it works well with other medical processes. It works well with physical therapy. It works well with exercise. It works well with meditation. It works well with other medically based therapies. And like I said before, it's usually done in a series of 4 sessions over 2 months. I have some patients who will do it on a regular basis throughout the year. And you don't have to be my paid patient in order to have this done. You can simply call, and we can make an appointment for this particular energy session. And you want to schedule it, you can call us at 847-923-0046. That's my office, AltMed Medical and Physical Therapy. Again, my name is Patrick Massey. I got my MD at Rush University Medical School in Chicago, my PhD at Northwestern University Graduate School of Medicine, and my doctorate in metaphysics, which is the MHD I received at the Delphi University down in McCaysville, Georgia. My website is right there. And if you have questions, you can email me at am4011@juno.com. If you have questions, make them short, simple questions. Answering long, complicated questions can be challenging in just an email. So I wish you the best in your endeavors and health in your life. Thank you.